everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today we're back on the Jacobsen Homelite Imperial Snow 524 snowblower. Like I've said in a couple other videos there, I've got a couple people interested in it. Two of the guys stopped by. They love the machine. They don't want, basically they don't want to clean it up or do anything else to it. So, I mean, other than oil change and change the spark plug and stuff. So we're going to hurry up and get that done, get that belt cover back on. I'm not doing any paint work or anything on it, and so I'm going to get the camera set up here, show you guys what it takes to change the oil on this thing real quick, and we'll get this thing sold and flipped out the door. So let me get you set up in the tripod and we'll bring you back. There y'all, over on the right side of the machine. Hope you all got enough light. Should have moved some light over here, but I didn't. But I think you can see good enough. Here's your drain plug, or drain tube that comes out of the bottom of the motor. I got a little funnel and a drain pan set up here. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe get that set up. And we'll get this cap off of here. Make sure just the cap comes off. Try not to drop the cap down in the funnel. And try not to knock your funnel out of the way. So, alright, I'm having problems here. There we go. Alright. Let that drain. I'm going to take the oil cap or the dipstick cap off here. Get a little bit of air. Hopefully it comes out a little bit quicker. I did have it running. It is a little warmer, so oil comes out a little easier. But I haven't even had time to look up to see how much oil this thing takes. So we're just going to play it by ear and dump some in and keep checking her. So with the movie magic, we'll this will just take like a snap of the finger. So, alright y'all, got that oil almost all drained out of there. I'll put this cap back on here. Get a little wipe down there. A wrench. Just snug that up. Leave my funnel out of there. Get this back out of the way. Got that all done. I'm going to go ahead and change the spark plug on here. And the spark plug for this motor here is a Champion RJ19LM. Pretty common plug there for the older single cylinders. Snap that down on. And this is a MS50 672621. That's the Tecumseh number for the motor. So, and I looked up the oil capacity there while I was waiting, and a couple different sites. One place said a whole quart. I'm going to put about 16-18 ounces in here. A quart sounds like way too much. So this is just my jug I use. I buy my oil by the 5-gallon bucket. So this is just a jug I have that has a graduated scale on the side. And I like it better than the paint mixing buckets, because put the cap back on, you don't get any dirt or anything in it. You don't have to worry about wiping it out, cleaning it out. So alright. There's that. Let that drain down in there a little bit. I'll grab a rag here. I'll stick the dipstick down in there and check her, make sure she's right. Wipe this off here. Stick her down in. Make sure she goes down in all the way. Pull that out. Right on the money. She is right there. So, all right. Now I've got to turn the fuel on here. We'll give her a little bit of choke, a little bit of a prime, and we'll see if she fires up. Alrighty guys, look at that. First pull, she fired right up. Runs beautiful. The only thing I did do off camera is I did get the chute working nice and smooth. Before you couldn't even turn that. So there's that. So she's all done. I'm going to pull this dipstick here and just double check. Give her a little wipe off there. Stick her back down in. And she is right on the money. So, alrighty guys. Appreciate y'all stopping by, checking out. Got the snowblower here going. I'm going to call the guys, two guys that are interested in it. And whichever one will get me the cash first, they can come pick it up. So, appreciate it. Y'all stopping by, checking out what I'm doing here in the shop. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to catch all the videos. Don't forget about my weekly live stream, Sunday nights, Eastern Time, 7 p.m. Appreciate it. Y'all stopping by and saying hi. And if you guys got any suggestions or anything, something you want to see on the channel, leave them down in the comment box. You know, so appreciate y'all stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.